Right, so today we are in Chery showroom, and this time we are going to have a test drive in the Chery Tiggo 8 Max or Pro Max, I think. Yeah, this is a 7-seater Tiggo 8 Pro Max. Yeah, 7-seater. So we'll see about that one later on, and we'll just check it out the agent. Hold it, yeah. You can see it from far.
The voice function is activating. Please try again later.
Hold it. What is this by them? It's electronic or sensor maybe. This comes with a side airbag or only front?
Side airbag.
Okay.
We can check the sound of the stereo.
Yeah. I think you make it English already.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I think it will not allow you. You have to connect Android Auto. Yeah, no, it's syncing. Galaxy, no, this is yours.
This is.
Okay, nandito tayo sa Captiva Premier. So leather seats siya. Powered seats also. Meron siya 7-inch LCD in front. May 360 din siya. Okay, ito yung left camera. Ito right camera. Ito ay okay, back yata. Parang later. Okay, meron siyang ito sa AC. Alright. Okay, this one is sa AC. Alright, meron tayo nito. pa lang. So this one is okay. Okay. Ito yung sa sunroof. Ito ang buo. Saan yung sunroof buo? Until there. Still more? Okay. Ito ay para sa right. So kompleto yung panoramic view. This one's back seat. Okay, okay. Off natin to. Okay. Ito naman ang kanyang electronic parking. Premium leather seats. May side railing. Tapos may lane na kaptiba doon. Alright, so ito yung sa likod. Okay, I think it's not hindi siya leather seats. Okay. Okay, ito ang kanyang premium. Okay. Ito yung kanyang map. Ito yung tools. Ito yung extra chair at sa back. So, ganito yung tsura niya. Sa chair sa back. Okay. Meron siya ditong video fan here. So ito ay electronic. I don't know. Probably not. Itong sensor niya. Isa. Ang gulong. Okay. Hindi, mayroon akong pataka. May pataka ako. Oo. Ayan. Okay. Turn off natin ito. Dito. And may keyless entry siya. Ito. Ito naman, yung charger UNIS. So leather seats. Yeah. Info system. Yeah. Okay. Tapos ulit ang kanyang manibela. So power seats both left and right. Yeah. DVR. Oh, ayan. Malinaw yung camera niya. So, ito yung rear, left, right, top It's on. Oh, ganda. Alright. So, pag-close natin to, panoramic sunroom. Ayan. Okay. Para tayo nasa movie theater. Alright. Tapos, dito sa, ganda naman. Sa kuwan sa likod. Malawag din. Right, merong USB. Tapos, meron din siyang arm. Probably meron din cup holder. Okay. Handle here. And ito ay, I think automatic din to. Malaki yung kanyang compartment. So pag pinress ko to, close siya mag-isa. That's nice. Right. Then yung compartment niya. So ito din ay power seat din. Oh, dito compartment dito. Then sa micro SD. Okay, meron tong wireless charger. Alright. And electronic car parking. So ganda din ang UniS version. I like this style. Ito ang Changan CS35. Alright. So may wireless charger siya dyan. Tapos meron siyang 360. Ano ba? Activate yun. So, ito yung tapos sunroof. Ito yung siguro. So, panoramic view. Diretso siya hanggang doon. Sa gata. Okay. May cruise control. Tingnan mo yung panoramic niya. Ha? Doble. So, spacious din. Mas automatic din to. Ayan. So, leather seats. Ayan, leather seats siya. Ganda rin ito. May hawakan dito. Okay. Compartment. Ayan. At ito ang kanyang harapan. Ang gandang grill niya. So, meron siyang camera dito. 360. Isa rin. Tapos siya.